Keeping your home's air clean isn't a piece of cake. To boost the game and make air cleaning more effective, manufacturers are always cooking up some new tricks. PlasmaWave, PECO, and Fast Act technologies are prime examples of science and technology joining forces like a dynamic duo. PlasmaWave Technology. This technology reduces viruses, bacteria, and gases through natural plasma ionization without producing any harmful ozone. First, it creates a short electrical discharge in nanoseconds, so it's 100% safe. Then, dual polarity ions are formed from humidity, positive hydrogen and negative oxygen. Those ions disperse in the air and attach to the surface of air pollutants. They eliminate them by removing hydrogen from their insides. The ions use the missing hydrogen ion to return as humidity. This process is very effective and totally safe for you and your family. PECO Technology. PECO means photoelectrochemical oxidation. This technology combines a mesh HEPA filter coated in a catalyst that reacts with UV light to oxidize pollutants. It uses free radicals to break down pollutants with no ozone byproduct. UV light and those special particles start doing their thing. When the pollutant gets snagged on the filter's surface, is oxidized, means it's broken down. Now the pollutant is oxidized and fully destroyed. That's it. Fast Act technology. This technology takes earth minerals and boosts their natural capabilities to capture, break down, and deactivate toxins. Thanks to the patented process, minerals are getting a mega makeover. They are boosting their surface area big time. It's like giving them superpowers to grab more pollutants. The purifier pulls the air inside that moves through air cartridge with Fast Act technology. Fast Act earth minerals latch onto and absorb toxins. These toxins are broken down to a neutral state, so they are no longer toxic. The minerals retain them for good. And the best thing is that they never release any harmful byproducts like ozone. Now you're in the know about the high-tech tricks hidden in different air purifiers. What do you think about these technologies? Got any of these cool tech features in your air purifier? If not, are you itching to give them a try? Share in the comments. Don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe to stay connected. Thanks for watching and see you next time.